Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. As you saw in the last video, I did an outro in Villa Nueva, because I think I've done enough. Well, if you're seeing this, then I'd obviously done enough filming in the morning, but now I've got the bike there, the little Gixxer GSX 150. Yes, and I'm going about, anyway, I'll talk to you in a minute, but for now, let's roll that intro. I was saying, waffling on before the intro, the maximum speed limit is 40 kilometers an hour in these mountains. Beautiful, and most of it's 30 kilometers an hour. I hardly go that slow in either in my driveway or when I'm riding with Swifty. And if I don't get an abusive comment from that one, I know you're not watching. Now, I'm not jumping today. I've got far too much to see. I can't wait, but I will hang around here till they launch. But this is where they're going to jump. This is a girl here. ¿Tienes miedo? She's very scared. And see, I jumped here. If you look at my personal Facebook, look up Colombia. I jumped here quite a few years ago. This same spot, there's an eagle down there you wouldn't have seen in this. Just beautiful. Just unbelievable. If I hadn't left the drone in Bogota, I left all my camera gear in Bogota because I was catching aeroplanes and didn't pay for luggage. Everything had to be on my back, and it would have meant having 2 clean shirts, or 1 clean shirt and 1 dirty one, 1 pair of pants and my camera gear. But this is all right. But I wouldn't have been able to fly the drone here anyway because it's a parasailing area. Look at this, guys. San Gil, Colombia. Okay, and I just found out you can come and camp here, guys. You can go parasailing, and you can stay in these little huts. Look at this, guys. There's your bed, and there is the world. What a place to wake up in the morning. Incredible. So I'm going to put, in the last video I would have done it, and in this video I'm going to put Carlos's card and the parasailing company and Flying Fox and rappelling and whitewater rafting. That's Carlos, that was his card you just saw. But these camping things belong to another person, but Carlos can organise it all. Unbelievable, guys. Look at the fear on her face. Isn't that a wonderful thing? And ¿qué es tu nombre?
Eddington.
Eddington was just telling me that the little rooms are only 10,000 a night, so about $3 a night, including breakfast for 2 people. Incredible. It's about $2.50 US. It took 3.5 hours to drive from Bucaramanga to San Gil, and another not quite an hour to get here. But on a clear day you can see Bucaramanga. We're so high here. Oh guys, I really hope the GoPro's doing this justice. It's just mountains everywhere. Chichimonca, I think's the name of this canyon here, and this is a view from the other side of the property, just as beautiful. And you can see this road down here. That's what we rode up. I'm gonna have to find my way back, because as soon as these guys are flying, I'm jumping on the bike. I've got a lot to film today. Let's hope Google Maps works. Yeah, one of the young blokes that's flying today. This is his car. Doesn't look like anything from the outside, but doof. And this is loud. He had it playing before, but I would have got copyrighted. Oh no, estoy bien. Gracias solo para la video. So, hola.
Hola.
So guys, I just stopped randomly going down the road. I couldn't wait for the parapente because the weather was wrong. I've got heaps of stuff to film. But look at this wall. ¿Cuántos años tiene este muro?
Póngale unos 60 años.
Oh, so this is more than 50 years old. Incredible. Oh well, ciao amigo. Hey guys. I've just got the camera set up in my shirt. I hope you can see this all right, because this is just absolutely stunning. I can't believe it. I hope you can hear me, and I hope you can see all this. I'm going really slow because of this dirt road. This bike's not made for the dirt. It's not made for anything really. It's a piece of junk, but it was really nice of the guys to organise it for me, and they gave it a full service. And while I was waiting, put a new globe in so I had decent lights. Really riding through the Colombian countryside now. Incredible. Los granjeros, the farmers everywhere. And look at this country. This is what happens in Colombia. I'm doing about 5 kilometers an hour. That tractor in front of us. But guys, this country is just amazing. I really hope you can hear all this. So I pulled up on the side of the road, up the road a bit. Said I was hungry, and she said, this was at a shop. She said, you'll get better food at this place. So I stopped in here. So I've done nothing really today, just ridden the bike for an hour and a half. Sat on the cliffs, just amazing. I don't know what this is, but I asked for chicken and rice. This is what I got, a nice soup, and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh, what I got, it looks more like chicken and barley. Oh man, that's delicious. I'm gonna turn the camera off and enjoy it. And guys, this is San Gil from the mountaintop. Just a second, I'll wait till this truck goes by. Look at this. Unbelievable, guys. And this is probably the worst motorbike I've ever ridden in my life. But I'm having the best time. Just amazing. Now, yeah, this is San Gil stretching out there. I'm going to go into town, and then I'm going to try and find the cascadas, the waterfalls, where I went abseiling and where Janet and I had our first picnic. So about 13 years ago, I was visiting some people at this hostel, and I told the owner, he was Australian I think, English maybe, I can't remember, but I told him I really didn't want to do the yacht thing from Cartagena to Panama. I didn't want to get stuck on a yacht with a bunch of backpackers. And he said, look, I've heard of these people doing this trip up through the Cholco and the Darien wilderness, and as long as you research where you're going and only go to the government towns, he said he couldn't guarantee anything, but people had been doing it. So I did that trip, and I just came to tell him thank you. I've done that trip like 4 times now, I think. And it's become a very popular, well, not a super popular, but it's not as unheard of as it was when I did it. And it's not his hostel anymore, so I couldn't thank him. Anyway, I'm going to put the waterfalls into Google Maps and take you there. Sorry guys, that was a pretty steep hill there, it took it out of me. Sorry guys, I was on my way out to the waterfalls to show you the cascadas, but it started raining and the front tyre on that bike was balder than Marcus, so I figured it was a better idea just to give it back. I'm not going to die for you, but what a day guys. And for the people that have been following me, you'll know that's the first time I've been able to get on a motorbike for over a year. I'm going to be sore tomorrow, my neck. My butt's a bit sore. I did about 5 hours. It's alright. But for now, I'm going to go back to my room, upload a bit of stuff to my computer, and be lazy. Oh, look at the plaza now, guys. Oh, I'm exhausted. 5 hours on a motorbike. This is just so relaxing. I've got a coffee here, otherwise I'd be asleep already. Just incredible, guys. This is what I fell in love with. Why Colombia is so much in my heart is because of this plaza in San Gil. Just amazing. People are just, everyone's just finishing work, relaxing. This girl's about to say hello. And yo tengo, pero gracias. And oh, what a day, guys. What a day. And having a coffee with these lovely ladies again, and a buñuelo, and then I'll catch the bus outside when it comes along. Now I'm just waiting on the bus. Go stop at the national park. Hopefully I'll be able to get on the cable car, and then this afternoon going to Bucaramanga. There's a big cable car, you'll see, at least I'll show it to you, but it's my plans to get on it today. I had to wait 5 minutes, bus came along, I've just finished my coffee. Didn't even have time to put the cup in the bin, so I've just folded it up and put it in my bag. And I got a seat with a seat belt, which is pretty rare. Just beautiful, guys, look out here. San Gil, Colombia. It's really worth coming up here, guys. You always watch your back when you're in these places. Just unbelievable. 99.99% of people are really happy, friendly people. Today we've got a crazy ass bus driver. Look at this, passing on blind corners. Just crazy. It's putting a smile on my face. It's San Gil. I think this is the 5th time. And it's always clear as a bell, but the whole valleys are filled with fog, so it's only 7:30 though, so hopefully that'll lift before I get on the cable car. Yeah, the bus driver's just having his breakfast. Beautiful little spot. I'm having a coffee. Oh guys, I'm happy. My regulars know I don't do this very often, but I'm going to beg today. I want this to be my job, guys, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, watch the occasional video, it doesn't cost you anything. If you want, go over to the website, buy a copy of my book, it's only $8 US, about my youth travelling Australia. And there's a bit of poetic license in there to make it read better, but it's all based in fact. Yeah, join Patreon if you want, but I'm not going to beg people to do that. But yeah, guys, I want this to be my job, and that's up to you guys. We're here, that's the cable car there. I was just talking to a guy at the desk, and I'm not sure if he was telling me that the clouds will lift at 10 o'clock, it's only 8 o'clock now, or if he was telling me that the actual cable car starts at 10. But anyway, guys, I'll hang around for a bit. I don't know if Miguel's already booked my hotel in Bucaramanga, so I'll just go there, I'll have a shower, and then I'll go and, as I told you in 2 videos ago, I think, Miguel's on holidays, but his son David's going to give me my Mad Dog tattoo. And the name of where we are is Parque Nacional de Chichamocha. So, I didn't realise this before, but the valley that will be, the gorge that we'll be going over in the cable car, is the same one, the guys that we could see from the Parapente, from the parasailing. Yeah, I'm just killing a bit of time. So I'll show you a bit around the place. They've got a water park just here that I'm walking over to show you. I'm not going to go down there, it's not water park weather. It's a nice day though, and you can see already that all that clouds have lifted. Yeah, there's almost there, guys. Sorry, sometimes my brain just stops, but yeah, here's the little water park with the water slides. In Spanish they call them toboggans. Yeah, look at the backdrop, just gorgeous. I really hope this GoPro does it justice, because it's incredible. Well, when I went into that restaurant, it was cloudy and cool. Now it's sunny and warm, so let's go and buy a ticket. Well, turned out to be a beautiful day. Got my tickets at last. 10:20. Colombians love standing in queues. I don't. This is just gorgeous, guys. There's a whole sort of amusement park here, pony rides and buggies, they say, which I'm not sure if they're go-karts or whether they're just little buggies, but they advertise all sorts of stuff here. It's all in the one ticket, but I'm just going to jump on the cable car and oh, they've got a slide over there on toboggan and restaurantes. Oh guys, I don't know if the GoPro can see this. Just stunning. Hermosa. More lines. Yeah, and I don't know how this happened, because I was about 5th in line for the tickets. People must have bought tickets online or something. But it's alright guys, I'll get on there eventually. And I'll be in Bucaramanga this afternoon. I can see the station up the top there. where I'm going, the other side. About an hour return, I think. Might be an hour each way, but I'm pretty sure it's an hour return, but I'll find out. Around $12 for everything in the park, or I think maybe about 16 or 17 including the water park that I showed you earlier. And guys, I don't know if I've said this before, but when I tell you prices, they're just rough estimates in my head, and I try and talk in US dollars. Well, everyone pushed me up to the front of the boat. These are my fellow travellers, and I think they're all a bit terrified.
Hola a todos, este es un gran sitio para conocer acá en Colombia, el cañón de Chicamocha. Como pueden ver, estamos en la parte del teleférico. Vengan a conocernos, es muy lindo, very good.
So, I've already done the outro, so this is after the outro, but you'll see it before. Even come later than 10 o'clock. There's no one here now. There was a big long line when I got here because everyone got in as soon as it opened. So yeah, maybe get here 11 o'clock or get here at 10 o'clock, go and do some of the other things, and then come and do the cable car. Just incredible, guys, well worth the $12. But I'm going to say goodbye now, hit the road to Bucaramanga. And the things I do for you guys, I got in facing backwards so you can see everything. Just gorgeous, really worth doing, guys, but don't be like me and get here at 8 o'clock in the morning because they don't even sell tickets till 10. And I might even make this the end of the video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. You may as well hit the bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can, and we'll see you in the next one.